Okay, I think we are live. I'm not sure if we are. Are we live? Can you hear me? Let me know in the live chat. I really hope we are. Yeah, and now we are live. Okay, let's get some volume in the chat because BTC is crashing. This is something we predicted and it's gonna crash a little bit more. I'm already buying the dip and I just wanted to do everything live. I already placed some positions. We'll go over that. We'll go over everything that we know so far. Hello to everyone that joined in as of now. If you're here, just like the video, really helps out the channel. Let me just turn the light on. To be a little bit more aesthetic, bring some orange into the picture. Hello, Darek Polska. 26 people, that's cool. 2 likes. Thanks to everyone who liked the video so far. Hello, Aristos. How's it going, my man? What do you think about the crypto price today? Let me know any cryptos that you want me to discuss, and I will right now. El Salvador's Bitcoin fee problem and solutions. Indicators show capital beginning. So there's a lot of fundamental news, but this crash was something we predicted a few days ago, basically. It was a dead cat bounce. I streamed it 21 hours ago. I said, guys, this is going to be a dead cat bounce. Literally, I was in IKEA. I placed the short, came back home, and around 6 p.m. my time, there was like 10, 11 a.m. United States yesterday, which it should be around here. Yeah, I said we're getting a dead cat bounce. Sure enough, we went up and down. And I managed to play some shorts here, basically. And, you know, they're obviously profitable. I'm also buying some altcoins right now. Hello, Yatros. And we'll talk about it. One of them is actually Sand because it has a strong support at the 18 cent area. But if we have a massive flash crash, or just a crash, massive crash, we might fall all the way down to 14 cents. I'll look into adding some volume there. Par, we'll talk about that. I'm good. I don't sell. I got hit at 4K and 7K is my average. I'm good. I keep stacking. Yeah. I got in at 4,000. Oh, okay. Well, you mean Doge, right? 700 Doge. Am I correct? Or is it something else? Sorry, I'm a little... There's a lot of information flowing around my head right now. Regarding this dip and how do I trade it best and show you how to trade it best. But this video is not financial advice right from the start. Thanks, 7 likes. We're at 21 viewers. I'm pretty sure that tonight we can break 100. We were 91. Make sure you like the video. If we get 20-ish likes, we should have 50-ish viewers really fast. 23 viewers, that's good. Okay, so let's talk about par. You guys want to see par. What do you want to see par, by the way? I just want to see the RSI. Everything has, like, not that many cryptocurrencies have 30 RSI right now. Why? They should. BTC is a 22 RSI, but it can go all the way to 14 with a crash like this. We can definitely go lower. We can definitely go lower. BTC, oh, that's good. Yeah, Aristos, you're all good. You can wait. It can crash to 10K and you'll be all good. So you bought in at like what? 2018. We had 4K, right? For a while, and then 7K. You know, after that. Par. Let's talk about par. CoinMarketCap. Do you want to see the biggest losers? Because maybe you're thinking I'm losing some money today. Go to the global, to the gainers and losers tab. The top losers. There's a cryptocurrency that lost 100% today. Talk about SHIB. Okay, I will. SHIB is great. But I'm not really happy that the only reason it went up today was Elon Musk's tweet saying, my Shiba Inu will be named Flocky, and there's a Flocky Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, I guess, first. And then Flock, you know, the character from Vikings. That's not great, man. What is this? SafeMoon with 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 Doge. No, with Shiba. Shiba is the real Doge. Remember that. So Shiba was doing great from 600 cents. Look at what happened from 600 from this. When I said cents, I mean 5 zeros before that. SHIB was doing great from this. We went here. There was actually a 25% increase. I made a video on it while it was happening. It was just a tweet. That was just the tweet. A 30% increase from a tweet. That's insane. And that shows that there's not a lot of liquidity. I'm sorry to say that, because BTC on Doge, when Elon Musk said something, we just had a 10% bump when it was like 8 cents. Ever last March, even last March. Oh, yeah. What is Space Popper? I don't know. Should I check? Last March was the big dip. Stock market silver, yep. When the corona hit, 13th of March. What do you mean Shiba is Doge? What is Doge? Doge is a cryptocurrencies that people are pumping, but the DOGECOIN, Shiba Inu, is taking over Doge. We have a video on it 2 days ago. You can see this. Plus the real Doge. Where is it? There's a video on my channel. Shiba Inu Coin is the real Doge. We have proof, and there's reasons to believe that. Can you look at Tiki for me, please? Okay, so let's start with Tiki. I'll check everything you wanted to say. I just forgot to say to talk about Shiba. That's the last dump now. Okay, we'll talk about is it the last dump, because I have an opinion on everything. I just want to do, I'll answer anyone, right? I'm here for you guys. I'll answer anyone, just bear with me, okay? And like the video if you want me to. If we could get more likes, that would be really fun. Okay, let's start with anything. First, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, very strong support. If we just go on the 61-hour chart, for example, we can see, and I want you to remember this. If you've been with my channel, you know this. Thank you for the answer. I'm really glad I could help, Justin. So you can see very strong support at the 600, 700 area. Every time we go to this area, we have some accumulation, right? We have, okay, this is the Coinbase news, right? These are news. This is news. But every time we hit this level that we are at right now, even now, even during the dip we had on the 22nd of June, we always have accumulation around this area. So I'm not that worried, to be honest, for this area. And to be honest, I actually also adding just a price that I want to be, cautious about. And my price targets right now are basically the price targets here. I think this is the accumulation zone. I think this is the first take profit zone. I think this is the second take profit zone. So the way I trade it, I would buy the dip. If it falls down a little bit more, maybe to this rate, I might add in Doge. I'm not 100% sure. I'll wait to see how BTC goes, because maybe it might fall even, more. The first price target I said is around here, because there's some resistance here, and it's based on the breakout strategy that I have. And the 600 is also another price target that I have. Sorry, Clay. My dog was below the table. So I basically have two price targets that I'm really aware of and I really want to take profits at for my Shiba Inu. Let's talk about the second one, Tiki. I have no idea what Tiki is, but I'll tell you my technical analysis, my opinion on it. Tiki token. Security token. Can you let me know the website, or where can I check it? Bullcoin or Bogt? Can you let me know in the chat? I'll do that. In the meantime, you wanted me to check par. But let's see if I'll find Tiki. Oh, I found Tiki. Okay. So here's Tiki. Market cap 14 mil, nearly 15 mil. Chart right now, there's an okay support level at this area, at the 1300s. I'm talking about, after the decimal. Now we're used to cheap cryptocurrencies like this. There's support here. There's definitely, I like the fact that we didn't have an insane pump and down at the beginning. You can see that some people started taking profits here, which has a lot of logic, right? If they had a pre-sale or something, or they have some influencer budget, they had to sell some crypto here. Then, but the only reason I see for it crashing was the crash that we had on BTC on the 22nd. And it didn't crash. I mean, it crashed two times, but it's not that bad, I think, right? For a 15 mil market cap. Look at website, please. Okay, what is the website, Clay? I will. Oh, okay. Niki website. Maybe if I go to the contract. So my opinion is this is not a bad buying opportunity, if you ask me. I think if I copy the contract and paste it, I'll find the website. Right? Tiki token, that's their Twitter, TikTok. Okay, here's the website. Bam, pancakeswap, your dashboard. It's really easy to buy. pancakeswap have a lot of videos on how to buy cryptos. Can Shiba Inu hit 0.0? Yes, it can. But what liquidated? Joseph, don't trade Shiba Inu with margin. If you want to trade Shiba Inu, by the way, with the lowest fees, use the link in the description down below to sign up for Binance. They have the lowest fees. It's BNB reflection token. Oh, that's interesting. I'll check it out later. I'll edit. I'll keep it as a book, as a website open. I'll check it later, Clay. Bitcoin had to crash the day on promoted Shiba. Yeah, that's very unfortunate. If we had a BTC momentum, plus the day he promoted it, but this was a dead cat bounce. Look, guys, we knew it was a dead cat bounce pretty much here. So this structure, when we had the dip on the 18th of June, I said this dip that we had looks very much like it. If you just check it until here, it used to look good, right? It used to look good. But when we had a second dip, it was a dead cat bounce. This is a dead cat bounce. And that's why we're going to retrace again to 30K. Hopefully we have, it's very important for us to hold 30K. Just to give you an example, taking the 4-hour chart, there's major support and resistance area. Okay, let's go to the daily chart. It's going to be easier to see. A lot of people are speculating that we have a head and shoulders pattern. That's very likely as well. I also have it on my chart. And the levels we're watching out for, because we want to trade based on facts, not based on emotion, right? We want to see and react to the market for what it is. We can tell the market what to do, right? And right now we have two very serious support and resistance levels, 30K and 40K, pretty much. Like the simplest way I can describe is that we have the 30K and the 40K area, and we have to, if you're a bear, you gotta make sure that that the support breaks. But what I would do is, I'm neither a bear or a bull when it comes to BTC. I can short it, I can long it. Are you bullish on Solana? I haven't bought Solana lately. Let me check how it's going right now. I would wait for it to dip right now. RSI is pretty low. It is pretty low, but I'm thinking the BTC can, we're just breaking the $28 support level right here. Do you see it? It used to respect it here, here, and after breaking from here, the sad news is we might break a little bit. I would buy it at this area. I might actually set up some alerts, by the way, to buy it, and I will. Right now, I'm setting an alert. If we go here, I'll buy it. Am I bullish? Maybe, but I want to also get a good entry point. A good entry point is key, because then if I buy here and it goes to here, I'll make, you know, $4. But if it goes to here and then buy here, I'll make 50% on my money. So it's way better to make, you know, this is what 15, 16, 70%. I'd rather make, you know, 50%. That's 3 times better with one trade. But by just buying the dip, the actual dip. Yes, we are dipping right now, but on the 5-minute chart, we can go lower, as you can see. A lot of times it will go below 20. Can we dip Shiba Inu? Yes, Shiba Inu will dip, in my opinion, which is really sad. We're waiting. shibaswap. Where's shibaswap? We need shibaswap. Can you hear me? Because I think I did something to the microphone. Also, guys, like the video. We didn't have a few likes for a while. It really helps out. It really helps me out. If you get enough likes, I'll try to stream for 50 more minutes. So let me know something else. what other cryptocurrencies do you want me to talk about? There were some other things in the chat. In the meantime, I'm always figure out some cryptocurrency. I'll tell you what I bought during this dip so far, just based on technical analysis, right? Nothing special. I bought some sand. Oh, I can tell you from here because I've set up some alerts. I bought some sand, and my alerts, by the way, are not priced based on price. They're based on RSI. So why did I buy sand? Low RSI a few times, low RSI for a while, and I pretty much bought in here. There's pretty good support here. Yes, we can crash here, just like on the 22nd, but we're still, you know, during this crash so far, I'm trying to react to what is happening in the market right now. And what is happening right now is we're holding this support level. The next cryptocurrency I bought in is MLT. Let me just end MLT here. MLT also has some support here. If we break below that, that would be devastating. We can go, you know, down to here, or even here, which would be really, really bad. And it's kind of logical that it's going down right now because, you know, when people bought the dip at 92 cents, look how much money they managed to make from here to here, right? So it's obvious that people are taking profits, and no trailing stop profits targets would be hit, right? It just went up too much. So there's a lot of people that are eager to sell without the trailing stop loss being hit, and people made 62%. What's the resistance? Can read your screen. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I have my camera. The resistance for Shiba is where's Shiba? Shiba Inu, where are you? Shiba. The resistance, we have a few levels. 240. Okay, we have this level that people are taking profits at around this level. I didn't, something like this is all right. Maybe we can edit a little bit higher. So normally when you have breakouts like this one here, so previous all-time high, when we break that, we get a depth of at least from the accumulation level. This is basically how you trade breakout patterns. In breakout patterns, when this breaks out first, this is a resistance zone, but on the drop down, it's a support zone. That you can see it, the first support was near the all-time high here. It was basically there. So this area is definitely an area I want to take profit in. This resistance right here, where people from the initial accumulations all started selling. So these are all take profit targets that I have. Let me see all the chat, because now we have a lot of things. Do you know about EOS Bull? Please, I have invested a lot. Tell me about this last coin. EOS Bull. I don't. Let me see if we even have it on CoinMarketCap. If not, we'll see it on. By the way, yeah, EOS Bull. It's a log. Look, is it this? Is it the 3x long? First, look, I'm not very happy about these tokens. Now, tell you why. You know the inverse tokens, and you should be very careful. This is a huge warning. Definitely read it. Look at it. For you to be, I think it's going to be easier for you if I just have the screen chart like this. Let me know in the chat. By the way, do you like this chart a little bit better now? So look, I want to show you something, and you will thank me. I'll promise you. XRP, yeah. Let me show you something. So we had some massive dips. First one was on 18th of April, where we had to. You'll be surprised at what I'll show you. You won't believe what I'm showing you, by the way. Where we had flash crashes, pretty much. So during a flash crash, normally the tokens that are saying that should go, 18th of April, we had a crash. But instead, we had a massive crash, right? And instead of going up, the token that is the inverse token, it goes down. It's because of liquidation. Sometimes it goes down to zero. I can't remember which one, but one of the inverse tokens fell like 95% instead of going up 5 times. So I wouldn't trade EOS bull, sorry. It's basically EOS on steroids, 3x leverage. By the way, since I'm partnered up with Bybit, I should tell you that the easiest way to buy crypto with leverage, with the highest leverage, is actually Bybit. If you go on the description of this video, you'll find the link as I'm sponsored by them. They can give you special deals, really cool ones. I'm up 100% on Ethereum Platinum today. Oh, nice. And up 1.7k this week. Nice. Ethereum Platinum. That's really good, Dan. Congrats. That's insane. I hope you're taking some profits though, because paper profits aren't real profits. Make sure you take profits so you can buy the dip when it picks. I beg you, read my comment. I will, man. I'll help you. Last analysis, I have invested a lot in US Bow. Yes, I did. This is US Bow is basically a leveraged EOS. The question is, what do you think about EOS essentially? I'll help you. And by the way, I'll get back to every single chat comment. It's just as now we have a lot. I'll get back to every single one of them. Don't worry. I'll be here until I have to. It's not at a bad spot actually. It's I would buy it here. 25 RSI on 30-minute time frame. It has some support level right here. It's respecting a few times. Not massive support level, but decent support level. If I want to see, you know, the bigger picture right here for EOS. For EOS, the bigger picture is major support level at this area. As you can see, it reversed from here, here, accumulation zones. Major resistance area, very easy to spot. Resistance, which was support. Resistance. So I would buy it at maybe this area, have a take profit here, stop loss below there, maybe. Or wait for a little bit, but we're at 32 RSI. I don't know if it will dip a little bit more. I love SHIB about 2 months ago, before FOMO. Nice. 7.5k turned into 185 grand. Man, you're making big boys money on all of those. I love SHIB. I bought that. Oh, that's a lot of zeros. How many zeros? Oh, you're profitable on that as well. Then, but do you buy in spot or trade margin? It changed my life. I usually don't like swaps, but I use sometimes for super outs. Shiba Inu super run up changed my life. Now I can play and then leverage long short stop losses. I'm very thankful for SHIB. Yeah, SHIB helped a lot of us, right? If you manage to buy it soon enough. This was definitely a game changer. But I want to show you a few more things because there's a bit more information that I think you should be aware of. Let me know more tokens that you want me to talk about for crypto related expert guidelines. What? Wells crash BTC to adjust market. Yeah, liquidated large portions of longer short. Yep, that's what they're doing. And if you're playing with leverage, even with a 3x leverage, you get liquidated during markets like this. I really hope we don't. I've already bought Sand and what was it? 2 cryptocurrencies. I'm just thinking about so many cryptocurrencies right now. Salt and MTL. So I'm not that bothered right now. We're getting a healthy recovery. Hopefully this is the support. It's not a very strong support area. Hopefully we don't have anything weird happening while I'm awake. There's some news I want to cover, by the way, that you might not be aware of. US regulators have imposed a 2.5 billion penalty on crypto firms and individuals. A new report shows that US regulators have imposed fines. 2.5 billion in fines and penalties. Blockchain analytics firm Elliptic released a report Monday outlining crypto enforcement actions. This is what they have. US regulators have imposed 2.5 billion. Here the penalties pretty much. SEC has most of them. Unregistered securities offerings, fraud, AML violations, sections, other. So probably this unregistered security offerings is the highest amount. So yeah, if you're doing something wrong, you should be afraid of the SEC. Too many accumulate the Phoenix, but Bybit is free. Yep, thank you. Look up. Hell yeah. Will Bitcoin definitely crash to 30k? I wouldn't say definitely, but it's very likely to crash to 30k right now because this is the main support and resistance area. We have to respect those. The issue isn't BTC crashing to 30k. The issue is going below 30k and this being a head and shoulders pattern, which will be very deadly. If you don't know what a head and shoulders pattern is, head and shoulders, you don't care about the shampoo though, is this. This is the head and shoulders pattern. Normally, with a head and shoulders pattern, when you have head, shoulders, it drops down. We don't want that. It will happen. If we confirm it, it's very important to hold the 30k zone. If we break 30k, we're going to 20. I really hope we just trade in a range, just like this for a while, and then we get the BTC dominance down. And because there might be some certainty in the market, if we just trade in a range, I think with small green days, we can get into altcoin season. And then it would, no matter what you invest in, you make money. You remember altcoin season? You just close your eyes, pick a cryptocurrency, and you make money. That's how easy it was. But now it's not like that, guys. It's just not like that. Like the video, we're just gonna have 90 likes. We have 68 people. By the way, the record is 90 people. I want to get 100 on this stream. 73 people. What? About saying this, 19 likes. Make sure you get more likes. We need more likes. We need, 50-ish likes. So if you're here, make sure you like the video, or an alien will abduct you tonight. It's recovering. Hope it is, man. Is it? What's going on with my ETC? Any news? Okay, let me show you ETC. ETC USDT, for example, against Tether on the daily chart. So main support areas here because of breakout pattern. And again, how do breakout patterns work? Let's say that you're trading ETC here, and we're here, right? And you're thinking, should I buy some ETC? What should I do? We had some high, now we have some, buying pressure. It's March, BTC went up a bit, and now what can we do about it? Well, here's what you can do. Normally, the way you trade breakout patterns is either to take a long here, which might seem like the better idea, but normally it's not. And it's taking a long here, having a stop loss just below this level, below the major. You don't want to have it here, and have a price target of at least the accumulations also. So from here to here. So that's, an easy, what is this? 14, that's like $10. So your price target should be $24, which, we hit basically. But this is how you trade breakout patterns. Normally, the less riskier way is actually having a limit order just above this all-time high with a stop loss somewhere around here, targeting this area. This is way riskier, even though you're buying at a high price. So the depth here is from $19 to $8, which is $11. So your target would be $30 with this strategy. Maybe you would want to target something higher, but normally you would do something like this. It should be percentage-wise, so it might be even higher, but this is how you trade those. So after that, breakout patterns, this is a new support zone. So we have very big support here. This resistance, where people mainly took profit at the beginning, is also a very important area, as you can see here, because people took profits from the depth here. They pretty much, 5x their money or something. Resistance here, candlestick, resistance here, and $39 can turn into $50 at any time. I'm not sure that this is a very serious support area. On the 5-minute time frame, we recovered, but the next support is at $38. Maybe if I'm to buy EOS right now, I would wait for it to dip to 38.50 or something. What's going on? BTC down to 1 cent. I use LTC. LTC is truly the most boring coin. Oh, from 19 likes to 27 likes after I asked you guys. Wow, you're really good. If you were next to me, I was gonna give you a donut, and I've got a few donuts. If you guys were next to me, I would give you a donut for liking the video. 79 viewers. That's really cool. I should need more donuts. But yeah, this is definitely an interesting time. 80 viewers. Gotcha. Thank you. Karen needs some. Ooh. What do you need? Pound sterling. 23k pound sterling. Sir. Doge. Doge. Okay, let's talk about Doge again. Actually, we didn't mention it. Yeah, okay, that's good. Doge. I warned you about Doge. I gotta tell you, I warned you about Doge a few days ago. The issue with Doge is, I like Doge. The whole idea behind Doge is cool. But there's issues with Doge. First, Doge meme coins do really well during altcoin season. Meme coins do not. Sometimes you can use them as hedge during bear markets, but generally not so much, because people trying to find utility fundamental analysis because they're scared. They start to believe things are bubbles and start to see true things. So I made a lot of Doge videos to warn you that there's a warning. We might break down, which we did. We had another few videos. Definitely watch all my DOGECOIN videos. There was some good news, but I think other meme coins are taking over Doge right now. That's what I believe in. But you know, from a purely technical perspective, we talked about it on the live stream when we had it. The 16 cent was definitely a good buying area. If we dip here, you know, buy it, definitely buy it. If you just bought it here, and it didn't take too long to sell it, I think we talked about buying it here. Let's say you don't miss, you miss it and buy from 17 cents and just buy, sell here, right? Just here, because you know you have some resistance here. You'll make 37%. Not to mention, if you catch the top, you'll make 66%. You don't need Doge to go to 40 cents when you buy it from 23. You need to buy it on 70 cents, sell it on 27 cents. That's all you need. You want to buy the dips, especially during markets like this. There's nothing else I can tell you. Okay, reconnected. Sir Karen, oh, gotcha. Is it possible for BTC to go down? I don't think so. To zero, we're not going to zero. Niki say donuts. Are you donuts? Yep. Are you holding? Yep, I am. Oh, you're so sweet. Sharing is caring. Woohoo! Is it possible for BTC to go down? No. So you believe Shiba is going to crash? I want Shiba to go up. I believe it to go up because we have shibaswap, we have coinbase listing. We're waiting for possibly ether. 95 people. That's insane. So you believe Shiba Inu Coin? Based on what historical market do you know meme coins go to? Look, there's no historical market for meme coins. Meme coins. I'll tell you the historical market. I've traded Dogecoin in 2013. I remember that we had the bull run. It was pretty much, we went to 140 bucks, then Silk Road came, BTC was $140 back then. We went from $140, went to $70 or something because of Silk Road and all that jazz. Then we had a bull run to 500 bucks, fell to 300 bucks, for 300 pretty much went down, went up to 1.2k. And this was when MTGOX was around. MTGOX is basically like Binance. It was the biggest exchange. Then turned out to be a scam. So at that time, when people started losing money from BTC, it went from $1,000, $1,200 to 450 bucks. There was the low. I remember it super accurately because I remember this. I traded this, and then people want to make money. There are 101 viewers, guys. This is my record. 104. What is going on, guys? Let's continue the stream then. Okay, so what happened then was meme coin started to appear. First it was Litecoin. It wasn't a meme coin. It was for a while. You can't say Litecoin is a meme coin. It was an altcoin. We called those cheat coins. Dogecoin was just a shit coin. So we had people on Reddit or 4chan. I forgot what we used back then. There was some stories about someone dumping 1k into Dogecoin at a set price and 33x in 2 days. This is historically correct, and then it dumped. So he went on vacation. You don't have smartphones back then, 2013. No one had a smartphone. So you would have, you check in on Dogecoin. You would go on vacation, come back 33x. But then it dumped. Of those, we used Cryptsy at this time to trade Dogecoin. I remember this because I had money in Cryptsy. It was a scam. All of us lost all their money. Regardless if you were profitable from Dogecoin, if you kept it there. So it didn't really matter. So historically, yes, meme coins do very poorly. Try to find Dogecoin. Someone talking about you want to see what the interest for Dogecoin was? Because I want to be honest with you. Do you know the interest for Dogecoin in the last 3 years? Before the bull market, here is the interest for Dogecoin. It was a meme coin in 2013. Can you see any interest? The only interest we have from Doge is in February because of Elon Musk. This is the only reason. By the way, 114 viewers, guys. The record before was 90. What are you doing? This is insane. Okay, let me try to find every message because we've got a lot. Hold on. Yeah, we gotta hold on, guys. Is BTC really crashing? What do you mean it's crashing? We might get a support here. It's definitely, this is a crash. Like, be against the facts. Will I buy BTC? Yes. I think there's some issues with my internet connection. Can you guys hear me? Might take a few seconds to load up again. Okay. I think my internet is live again. We have 117 people in the chat. What is going on? Can you guys hear me again? So BTC is crashing, but I will be buying the dip. I'm just waiting for it to go crash maybe to 31K-ish again. Shiba Inu Coin, Shiba Inu Army holding Shiba Inu. Yup, we gotta hold it because we're getting a lot of good news. Based on what historic market chill through the by the way, guys, let me know in the chat what cryptocurrencies do you want me to cover. I'll try to cover all of them. We're live for 35 minutes. I'll reply to every single 128 viewers. Like the video, guys. If we get 100 likes, we're at 39. We might get 1,000 people. We might be the biggest stream for crypto. Bet you're right on that one. Pet said that we gotta hold. Yep, we're holding. If you actually check the Shiba, and we will check the Shiba Army Reddit, I've always got it open to inspire me and comfort me in my pet days. Just sit tight. Doge and Shiba all day. Nice PC. Thanks, man. Thanks, Kieran. Shiba, let's go, baby. Do you think Dogecoin will have one more dip? Yes, I think so. But it's very important that we hold the 16-cent area, because if Doge breaks the 16-cent area, chances are, odds are, we go to 8 cents, which is really bad. So 16 cents is a very important area. If you go on daily chart, it might fall there. This was the accumulations on even before, even after Elon Musk started tweeting about it. So this was a major accumulation zone. A lot of people knew about Doge at this rate. The guy with the 180K Doge that turned out to 2 million is interviewed everywhere, bought in here, I think. So we might crash here. This is a breakout pattern, very strong, that you should respect. I just explained why you should respect breakout support and resistance levels. Yeah, this is panic. That's not helpful. Look, man, I'm not trying to panic you guys. I'm telling you I'm buying the dip. But the facts are we're crashing. What do you mean? Someone said we're not crashing. Okay, I just want you to understand two colors, green and red. Check this out. Is it green? Is it red? -7, -10%, -5, -12, -9, -13, -7%. Fine. By the way, we got 45 likes and 135 viewers, guys. This is the greatest community ever. -8%, -9, -10. This is a crash. Believe me. We lost money today, but we're holding. How much Shiba Inu coins are you holding? A lot. But I did manage to sell. I made a video today that I managed to sell 600 and something million during the how do you call it? Spot during the leg up. Managed to sell 660 something million. I have more though. But yeah, and I'll be buying more. I'm just waiting it for dip to dip. I think it will dip a lot more. I just have, a momentum strategy. I try to sell when it's going up a lot, and we're not expecting news for the day because it's 9:25 p.m. for me. It's like 1 p.m. In New York. We're not getting any Coinbase news today, in my opinion. We're not getting Coinbase listing. We're not getting shibaswap tonight. So if I can, buy the dip and sell on the high, that's good. Yes, I can hear you. Oh, that's good. Will Ripple continue down? Oh, that's a good one. Let's check that out. Will Ripple go down? Ripple might as well go down. It's at 61 cents. This was a major support area because people were asking me, should we buy at, you know, this 50-cent area? This support is at 46-ish. You could say major resistance here. And I should move a little bit down at 79 cents. It's break that we bet that we broke it. I wouldn't buy Ripple right here. Or maybe I would, because the RSI is pretty low. But it was a little bit safer, right, to buy 20% below. On the 5-minute chart, it already has some momentum, some sign of a reversal. It can definitely go down to 60 cents again. Maybe at 60 I would buy it, yeah. Will Ripple continue down to 41 cents? I hope we don't go to 41. The support is at around 45. Please God, go up by 0.9 mil. I hope, man. Do you think Dogecoin will hit $1 this year or next year? I think it will hit $1 this year, even though I think that Shiba might, you know, another altcoins will be good. I think the BTC will be good this year. And when BTC is good, everything will go up. Like when BTC is up, it's so easy to make money. All you got to do is close your eyes. Again, I'll show you what you got to do. This is how tutorial. First, take off your glasses if you have any. Then close your eyes. Then pick any cryptocurrency, click 100% all in, you know, and then pump it. Do you know the Bogdanov memes? And then you gotta pump it. 50 likes, guys. This is insane. Can we get 100 now? 143 viewers at the same time. 145 people watching this stream. This is insane. I'll do these streams like 3 times a day if this continues. I'll be the biggest streamer for crypto in the whole universe for you guys. I'll always open up the stream when I'm trading. Do you think Dogecoin will hit $1? Where's Polygon going? Okay, I've got some Matic right now. I'm very excited for Matic. It will go up. This is one of the coins that's, you know, one of the best coins you can buy, in my opinion, overall. But it's going down because of BTC. So, I mean, if BTC is going down, it will go down. I think we'll get, oh, more likes. Thank you. 4 people liked just now. Thank you. Let me turn on the chart so you can see what I'm talking about. BTC is going down, guys, since the 19th of May when Elon Musk said that they're not taking BTC, Tesla is not accepting BTC. We went down from 260 to 107. What is this crash? This is our margin calls. These are people losing so much money on Matic because Matic was the best investment. With the Polygon update, you know, it was so good. But now, because of this, well, and a lot of people had leverage, this happened, guys. So it's, yes, it is a good coin, but BTC just crashing. What can we do about it, right? 153 people are watching. Hey, Sam, how's it going? I'm good. How's the YouTube channel? Are you still with 3K subs? How many videos did you upload today? I remember you're doing YouTube videos from yesterday. Do you think the was Polygon? This is better. What do you think this is better? The current situation. No, I'm not worried about it. Just don't have margin calls. If you're spot trading, just buy the dips. So when you have some highs and buy the dips again. That's what I do pretty much. When talking about of resistance, please state the figure. I can't read your screen. I'm really sorry, Joseph. I will. Do you have a Telegram group? Not really right now, but I think I should. Should I make a Telegram group, guys? If we can get, you know, so many people in the stream, why not? Bitcoin to 60K. It will. I think we'll reach 100 something K this year, but we're talking about this week, this moment. I love how happy you are. Thank you. Bye crypto, here to stay. Do you think about a wiki of chart? What do you think makes sense? What chart? Paras, let me know and I'll check it out. Joseph, you were talking about support and resistance levels on which token. I'll try to find it. Let me know and I'll help you out. Any token that you need, I'll help you out with it, by the way. We are at 32K right now. I'm not happy that the higher SI is here. There's already some resistance. I think we'll dip a little bit more. And it's lunch time for New York. So hedgy stuff. I think they will be buying here. I'm just afraid of a crash during the Asian session. I'm not afraid of crashes during New York, London sessions. Right during crashes during Asian sessions because I had a really bad time trading anything on the 18th of April when BTC crashed because of the miners during an 18 session, during an Asia session from 60k to 50k. That's 20% decrease in 30 minutes. All the altcoins, like some altcoins, they went down 95%. If you had 1.2 leverage, not 2x leverage, 1.2 leverage, you would get liquidated. Binance was down. It was really bad. What do you think about TRX? I'll talk about TRX. The owner's pretty cool. He's buying stuff. Okay, let me find the real TRX. By the way, if you want to buy crypto with the lowest fees, use Binance and Bybit. I have links for both in the description below and sponsored by Bybit. So there's special deals I can offer you. They can offer you through me. I don't know. This is an interesting support level. What can I tell you? Buying it here is definitely a good idea. During a dip like this, I might wait a little bit more right now. Why do you want to buy TRX right now? James, can you let me know? And we'll continue the TRX discussion. I'm just thinking about alternatives, right? Okay, you can buy TRX, but is there anything better right now? This is the question that I'm asking myself. What are cryptos that worth having in portfolio? I've definitely liked meme coins in terms of a hedge. When we were going down for a week or something, with slowly, not at 20-10%, like 1% every day or something. Shiba Inu does well. Dogecoin doesn't do bad as well. Strong fundamentals though, you trust is great. Matic is great. ADA, definitely, you have to have some ADA. I would never have Litecoin is the most boring coin in the stratosphere. People losing money, yeah, it's pretty sad. It's your money fly away. 0.007, yep, I agree. This is all we need for Shiba. Please, we can't read your screen. Talk figures, please, on resistance and support. We ain't reading. Okay, Joseph, I will. Support and resistance. I mean, Doge, ADA, Repo, Ethereum, Polka. That's great. That's great. I'm on TRX short. It's going great. Yep, it is. It's sad, but it's true. I had some shorts. There were some small shorts, though, today. I think I should do some live trades. Do you guys want me to make a challenge where I start with 5 grand or 10 grand and just grow it by day trading? Not hodling, not just hodling, just day trading. Do you think I should do that? And I can give you free signals. I'm not going to be like the other guys charging you money for signals or selling your course. I can just do free signals, making videos, making live streams just like this, and talking about my trades. How does that sound? Do you guys want that? Like the video if you do. What's your opinion on 80? Is a good buy now? 80 is always a good buy. 80 is always a good buy. First, it's around $1. It was better at this rate. $1.27 is still good. ADA is a really good buy, especially below $1.50. This is a lot of people asked me about ADA in the last dip, and I told them what I would have my stop loss and take profit at. If someone listened to my advice at 1.03, place the stop loss here. He would also already be he would still be in ADA. He would be down if he didn't sell. He would be up. He should open here. Let's say he didn't manage to catch the bottom. He should be up 21% so far. And the take profit would be here at the resistance level, or you can just hodl it, right? Because you bought at $1. It's good. So resistance, support and resistance levels. Just for you, Joseph, because you can't read those. Support is at $1, resistance is at $1.50. This is, historical. We have a few reversals here where people just took profits, because you gotta take profits. Smart money is taking profits. They're not just holding. You gotta hodl, right? Obviously, if something crashes, you're not going to sell when it crashes. That's stupid. I want to read some memes, guys. Though, let's read some. Must tweet it, Shiba Inu. Shut up, clown. Yeah, that's exactly what you look. This is good, but it's bad. Everyone must tweets are good and bad at the same time. Okay, Shiba Inu is born from his tweet that he would buy Shiba Inu, and now that he's saying the dog's name. That's good, but it's not great for the community. We don't need we don't, this won't help us that much. Shiba Inu up 3%. What? Oh, he's talking about this. Yeah, that's in euros. Well, we explained it as it happened. I opened up the stream and started talking about it. But what do we have here? Top 30 trending coins. Shiba Inu, number 1. Based on searchability, how is Shiba Inu right now? Most searched cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. Shiba is number 4. That's really good. We were 6th and 7th spot. This is really good. 68 likes. Let's get 100 likes, guys. We just need 32 people. We have 131 in the chat. Let me check the maximum. At the peak was at 149 viewers. We're at 131. We know about Shiba Inu. Any other Inu coins good to purchase? Kishu Inu and Shinu Inu. Kishu Inu is a good token. If you can get it at a good price. SafeMoon, what is a really good token? You can buy it on Gate.io. I have a link for Gate.io. A lot of people were asking about it in the dip, and I said you can buy it to 2200 and you know, have a take profit at, I believe, for 60%, and you would be able to close that because it was a super profitable trade. SafeMoon, look at this. If you just go to the daily chart, this was okay. Daily is a little bit confusing, maybe 30 minutes. This was the dip to 2200. If you bought here, so here that's a 50%. Easily 70 likes. Thanks for the 2 people that liked just now. Yes, I just discovered your channel. Chefs, really? Where? From suggested or browse features or home? Nice to meet you. I'm Niki. Will Doge go under 20 cents again? I think so. The issue isn't Doge going below 20 cents. It's Doge going below 16 cents. Yes, it can go to 50, 60 cents right now. But the most important thing isn't the noise in between. It's breaking major support and resistance levels. That's where we trade the new ranges. How long do you think Brits will drop to? I really hope. Oh, I've just got some hodl. That's good, James. How long I hope we stop at 30k, because after that it's gonna be ugly. If we don't stop at 30k, it might get really ugly. It's going to be a head and shoulders pattern. Look at this. This is a head and shoulders pattern. If this drops here, it's a head and shoulders pattern. If you just go up, it's gonna be good. Safe moon and safe space. Okay, safe sun. Okay, so safe moon, we discussed that. Safe space, safe sun, safe Mars. Are you investing in all of those, Justine? For long term, which coins are good? ADA, Brain, it's ADA, it's Utrust, and it's Matic. Is this the bottom? I think we're close to the bottom. I think the 30k is the bottom. It depends on what do you mean. When do you want to sell your crypto? Do you want to sell it now? Do you want to sell it in a week, a month? And you know, a lot of people are saying when you ask them, why did you buy this? Well, I'm holding it. I'm holding it for 2025. Well, okay, if you're holding it for 2025, why are you shitting your pants every time the crypto goes down, right? You're not holding it. You're stressed out. You die from, you know, cancer or something because you'll be so stressed out. To be honest, you should figure out a strategy to hodl, but also be emotionally okay with it, right? We're having some support at 32k. That's good. And this is, you know, around lunchtime in New York before the Asian sessions. It's very good. It will be very good if we don't have a crash during Asian time. That's what I think. When will Matic Doge 120? I don't know. Chota, let me check it. Let me check that out for you. $120. I think we can do it. I think we can do it. Look, if this is a small W pattern, because we have a double bottom, this is a little bit higher. If we can break this, if we can go here, look, a cool trade with some confirmation is if we break this and go here, you place a limit order here. Maybe if we break this and then have, you know, some consolidation here, and you see something like this with a little bit lower other side than 63. I don't want to buy, you know, at higher other side. If we see a leg up and then goes a little bit down, you can have a stop loss here. So the levels, if you cannot see the numbers, if we go to, you know, basically this price minus 1%, stop loss, I would put it at $1.02. That's not super safe. 92 cents is better, but from here to here you have an extra 11% or something. And I would target this 120 is easy, or 119 to be safe. So this is a 1 to 1 to 62 ratio, and I think this is a good trade if you wait for the confirmation because of this. But I would buy it on lower RSI, so you can have less risks here and more upside on the risk to reward ratio. When will meditate? I can hold up to which years, which coins are the best? Yep, these are ADA, Medic, you trust. But definitely, if you're gonna hold, take profits along the way. To be honest, buying gold dips. That's the way to do it, Justin. What are the contracts that are up today? You can really easily see it if you just go to CoinMarketCap, not just contracts, you know, gainers and losers. Right now, there's 200% up on Bitcoin BCN. Shiba Inu, which is another Doge or Inu token. Someone asked. Okay, I've got more questions that are interesting. Shiba Inu is someone asked, are there other Inu coins that are worth looking into, or Shiba Inu? We talked about it a long time ago, basically before it went up, or here or something. And it had, the interesting thing is it had a very strong recovery. It didn't dip that much during the massive dip, the massive crash. And after that, again, China was responsible, of course. And then Shiba Inu, but it's already up a lot. I don't know if I'll buy it right now. I will buy it at the dip. Now is where people will take profits. The issue is with tokens that are already gaining so much is people accumulated here, right? And you have a huge increase here, a 200% increase or 100%. People are selling that bought here. They'll sell here to take some money out. So you're buying from the people that are selling the smart money. When will Manic buying of dips or contracts suggested? And suggested is great. I'm happy that YouTube is suggesting. And you know what? You know, guys, it's not because of me, and I'm not saying it in a stupid, ironic way. The reason that this YouTube live stream is getting suggested is you. Is the 109 people, if it were 111, 2 of you left. Go away, losers. 109 of you heroes that are still here and watching the stream. The reason why this stream is successful is you. You keeping it up, you liking the video really helps out. I'm really thankful, guys. I'll do anything I can to keep you updated with all the latest news and developments. I try to make a lot more videos than anyone else. This is my strategy in general. If you just go on my channel, right, I've tried to make in the last 30 days, because I did some how-tos, I've got like 600 videos or something. Check this out, 500 videos. And this is to keep you updated. Now we're doing a lot of news videos, and I'm doing this to help you out. If I learn something, some news, I'll talk about it. Buying gold dips or the contract suggested, following you from Peru, Pepe. What? Do I have, let me know what that means, Joel. Do I have, know your customer identity first? Do I have to, what do you mean? From where? I'm trying to read all the comments now. Following you from, okay, how about posts? I have heard it to export. I'll check it, your views on Shiba. Okay, let's talk about Shiba first. It's getting a little bit late now. And it's time for me to head to bed, but because I want to stream tomorrow as well. Shiba is a cool coin. We're waiting for Coinbase listing. Quick, my quick thoughts. Buy at a dip, wait for the Coinbase listing, shibaswap, and sell at the Coinbase listing. There will be a dump there. Mark my words. There will be some taking profits after that. People that accumulated cheap. Please give me a loan. I can't. Sorry. Your views on Shiba. RIP. Yeah, John McAfee. Guys, it was. I made a video on that. It's really sad. You could see my my day being ruined at that time. You could see, I was really happy, and I am for this video. I really enjoy making videos. It was a dream, making videos, having a setup, working from home. That's cool. you know, and I have a business. I have an e-commerce business that supports that. If you go on my Instagram, you know, old photos, you see I had you know, I was working from home before. Okay, let me go take you a little bit back, because some of you are new and you might be thinking, who is this guy? Well, I'm not very active on Instagram. I have marketing agency. This is a photo from 2015, 6 years ago. This is my setup. I was a little bit slimmer, you might notice. Now I'm fat. Here I'm slimmer. I had this setup, right? Because I was doing a lot of stuff, you know, working from home. Like I only had 100 kilometers. My you know, first really cool setup. I was trying YouTube a little bit, didn't really work out. So I've been working from home for a while, but being a YouTuber, that was my dream. That's one of the coolest jobs you can have. And it's thanks to you guys again. If you aren't watching, this is useless. You don't need this. If you scroll down in top movers, you will see at platinum. Okay, I'll do that, man. Let me show it to everyone that wants to buy it. I'll help you out then. But where do Ethereum platinum? We probably have it. It just is less than 35%, but then 35% up, because this is just the top 30. By the way, G999, there was a good token. We'll talk about it like 2 months ago or something when it came out. When will Bitcoin touch 31K? I'm thinking that we might do it tonight. I hope we really just go back, because I'm hodling. I would rather Bitcoin to go up, but I'm also realistic in just, you know, trading for what this is. 18 FTX DFT. What is that? What could be a nice pump and dump coin to buy now? Joseph, don't buy pump and dumps. Okay, Shiba Inu is also a pump and dump. It is a pump and dump. There will be a lot of people dumping after Coinbase listing. People are holding for shibaswap, Coinbase listing. If they see some profit, they'll sell. You see, there will be 100% each day for last. If you scroll, it's only going down. Like and subscribe. Thank you, Dan. What could be the nice pump? Following you from Northern California. What's the time at where you are? You know what you're talking about, and you interact with everyone. This is why I'm still here. Thank you, Crypto Gremlin. Thank you. But I can't believe I like live streams so much. This is so cool. You were recommended as well. Congrats, new sub. Thank you, James. Cool setup. You're welcome. Tell me your strategy. Okay, I'll tell you my strategy and then go to sleep. Listen, and this is I'm serious, and I'm not going to sell you guys a course or sell you signals or stuff like that. And this is a profitable strategy. I look for patterns first, and you know, you gotta learn patterns. Just type in Google patterns, basic patterns, and also, you know, understanding is something going up, is something going down. Let's just go back in time for Bitcoin, right? Just something like this, right? Let's say we're just buying Bitcoin. And okay, just know what's going to happen, but just so you understand the logic. Let's say that we are here. Bitcoin is at 32K. It's the 8th of June, right? We don't know what will happen. We already know it's going to reverse now. But let's say we don't. The strategy is so. It's going down. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a few more support areas right here. So this is support level 32K. RSI is below 30. I will bind here. And I will put an alarm, just like I am right now. I have an alarm for BTC, not for the price, for the RSI. If I will put an alarm at 64 area. So what I'll do is buy here, and let's put a long or price range here. And I will sell when we actually get. Okay, I can't do that. I'll do it in a bit. It got a dip, okay, right? It got a dip. We bought. What did we buy? Oh, we bought here. It dipped a little bit more. We bought here. Okay, but I'll sell on RSI. So the first time we got RSI is here. So now we're making a small profit, and we survived the dip. You never sell on a big dip. Another thing you can do. Oh, this isn't the alarm the alarm would be here. So you would sell here and you would make money even despite the dip. Another, you know, I would place a short on the 80 RSI and I would stop. I would have a take profit on the 35 RSI here, not on 31. And I would still make, you know, a good amount of money. Just got the chart this here. I'm very sleepy, guys. So I'm touching the wrong buttons. I'll show you the whole strategy in another stream. Remind me. But it's basically RSI, low RSI, high RSI for shorts, longs. Never use margin. HODL, never sell on based on stop loss. Mainly I'm selling. Even when I'm losing, I try to sell. Not at the bottom of the market. Try to sell when it's going up on high RSI. So if something dumps and the RSI, you know, went from 30 to 10, I'm not going to sell on 10 RSI. It's going to go up a little bit. When the RSI goes back to 65, if I'm down 30% on something, I'll be down just 10%. And this happened time and time again. Is the right time for ADA? I think there could be more dips, but brainstorm. If you're buying ADA, I think it's always a good time. In terms of short term, right now, ADA is, because we talked about ADA. What is this? Oh, it's people taking profits on ADA. ADA is not a bad time to buy that. I think in general, it's always a good time to buy ADA. You were on my recommend as well. Thank you, Raikui. Guys, did you enjoy the stream? I'm really grateful for all of you that stayed. The 836 heroes, 72 likes, pretty much. I think we had a massive 149 people at one point. We had 90 last time. That's a 60% increase. It was pretty cool. I'm really thankful to everyone that tuned in today. We'll have this stream tomorrow and the day after and day after and every single day. No matter what, I'll try to do it. If the video helped you out, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't, because I want to see you again. I don't want to rely on the YouTube algorithm to just recommend me to you guys. See ya. Let me see if there's someone else. Thanks Brain. Which app is best for cryptocurrency trading? Bybit for leverage. Have a link for it in the description down below. I'm sponsored by them and they have some bonuses. Binance for the lowest fees. I use TradingView Pro for my charts. You can use the free version. I only use for Pro to have more alerts because my trading is very, you know, momentum based. But if you don't have to, you can just have an alert for the main currency you have or for BTC. Let me see if there's any other comments. Okay, no.